When you say the H sound, a small puff of air will come from the back of your mouth. You can hold your hand in front of your mouth and release air, or practice in front of a mirror and see the mirror fog up. Give it a try. If you need help, make sure to comment down below. I'm happy to do anything I can to help you get your H sound. Now, let's go ahead and start with some practice. We're going to be practicing H in the first part of the word. I'll say the word, then you repeat after me. Heart, heart. Hair, hair. Halo, halo. Hat, hat. Horn, horn. Hot, hot. Hand, hand. Horse, horse. House, house. Hike, hike. Now H will be in the middle of the word. I'll say it, you repeat after me. You're doing great. Fish hook, fish hook. Redhead, redhead. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Groundhog, groundhog. Forehead, forehead. Rehearsal, rehearsal. Beehive, beehive. Manhole, manhole. Pothole, pothole. Doghouse, doghouse. So, in the English language, H is not one of the final sounds in our words. So we won't be doing any final word practice. But you did such a great job. I'm so proud of the work you're doing. Keep it up. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. I hope you have the best day. Bye!